I don't know what is happening. Encoder. Are we doing anything? Okay, we're back. My dad disconnected the internet for some reason. He didn't think it would do anything. Gotta love old people with their lack of tech awareness.
Boomers should not be allowed to touch anything that's tech related.
Oh my god.
Didn't miss anything other than how to find a list. So.
Oh my god. So BTI. Why did that pop down? British, is that the right one?
Yeah, BTI.
Okay.
So you notice there, there's 5704. That's like almost straight at a 52-week high. That's crazy. What is going on here?
Sorry, I was trying to see if we man, I can't. Okay. So reports.
So look at that chart. That chart's looking better.
Yeah, it's on its way up.
And that's actually not just falling off a cliff chart. That's
right,
good.
right.
Alright, scroll down a little bit.
Dividends
says 56.13, so it's overvalued. But okay, so the dividend is 75 cents. Okay, scroll down.
So you're looking at this LSEG, the 56.13.
We'll double check in Yahoo.
74.91. Upcoming earnings.
I see it earned 205 and it's paying out 75, so that's good.
Yep.
12.61 forward PE is good.
1261.
Peg's a little high, but okay, so everything on this one looks good. So now you're going to go up to the dividend thing. Type in 1230.75.
1230.75. What the hell is that?
And back in the chart, the
yeah, but where are you getting the number?
1230.75.
Okay, I didn't. Date I wasn't aware of. Sorry. 1230, and then what?
0.75.
Okay.
And then we have to go back to Schwab so I can see the yield is 553.
5.53.
Profit margin is all the way at the bottom.
Do I need the PE? 12.61?
12.61, but that's a different thing.
Is that not this?
That's that one, yeah. Versus.
Well, I'm not there yet, but I forget what I'm looking for.
12.45, the profit margin right there.
Profit margin.
Like, I
12.45.
You could do this thing one time and you can learn it, but. No, that one's 12.61 versus. We have to go look up the sector average at PE now.
I can't click it.
Okay, so this is one of those ones where it doesn't have it, so you have to go open up.
Yahoo?
No, it's fuck is this PE by sector? What is it?
Oh, you're not helpful.
Do PE? Look up PE by sector.
Oh my god, what is happening? I must be pushing stuff. I'm not. PE by that one?
Do that one. Full ratio, that's what it was. And then scroll down to tobacco.
Oh my. It's like at the very bottom. 1767?
1767.
So that's what we put in the list?
So 1261 versus 1767.
1767.
Okay, and you want to go over the current price is in Schwab. What was it? 56, 57?
All I know is that it said 57.20.
57.04. You want to add close price 57.04.
Okay, 57.04.
Then we have to. We have to go into
Yahoo.
Yahoo and see if BTI has a higher. Because if it doesn't, that one's gonna hit next. If it's too expensive.
BTI.
B.
My computer.
Analysis. When I'm on this shit, it doesn't do anything. Go down to the growth estimates just for giggles. I always check the growth estimates. So it's growing by 6%. Okay. Okay, go all the way to the top and do the analyst something, whatever it's called, insight. So this one says 59.50.
That what you want me to put in?
Yeah, 59.50.
Okay, 59.50.
So that one made the list. So now we're on to Ben.
Ben. Benji. Ben Hameen.
This is quite repetitive, but it's what we do for the love of the game.
All right, Franklin something.
Yeah, so the chart looks decent. Okay, LSEG is 24.73. So scroll up to the top to see like first things first. Okay, so that's about fair value. 33 cents, 537.
Quarterly.
So the gap covers it. The peg is 966.
You mean the PE?
PE, I'm sorry. Yeah. PE is 966. Then scroll down. And it's 6.6. So go back up to the dividend portion and put this one in the chart.
Okay.
12.30.33.
$0.33. 5.37.
5.37.
Okay. Profit margin.
Profit margin was 6 something.
6.26.
6.26, yeah.
Okay. Buy up to in current. Let me grab the current. And then the PE. What was the PE?
PE is 9. It's 966. You highlight it.
966. Okay. Versus stuff.
Click on that.
24.19. Is that it?
Click on that.
24.19.
Yeah, 24.19 is great. We're looking at this right now.
No, we're not. See, I don't think the way you do. That's why we're having disconnections.
You think like you don't make logical sense. Valuation.
You don't make logical sense.
23.96. So that's very undervalued compared to its peers.
Did I 96?
Yeah, but that, again, like the financial ones and the REIT ones, there's like difficult because you have to do like free cash flow and shit like that. But to make it apples to apples, I had to come up with some kind of way to. And the best way to do it was with profit margin, just for general PE. But I understand like you're supposed to be looking for different things. So is that, wow, that's a lot of growth. 12%, that's pretty good.
Next year 11. I didn't see the thing here.
I guess do analyst insight.
Oh, that's why. I'm getting there.
24.82. So go back into Schwab. Was it 24.73? What the fuck was it? The LSEG one. And so I'm saying that's why like people.
24.73.
Yeah, that's.
Which one do I put in here?
24.73. People like give me crap because I use the LSEG one, but when I go into like different things and look up like the price target,
And it's like the same thing.
It's pretty consistent. That LSEG's pretty close.
Nog. Nog. Let me just.
Now you see the Schwab equity rating. Like I never pay attention to that.
Chat disconnected. Please try. Hold on. Let me just make sure we actually have chat live because I don't want to miss stuff and stuff is stupid. And I have a bajillion tabs.
You always have a bajillion
Shush.
tabs.
Nobody asked you for your opinion. So we'll just leave that there for now. Okay. What am I doing?
You're looking at Nog.
Nog. Okay. Nog.
Anyway, that Schwab
70.
equity rating over there, like just disregard that. That's,
Disregard.
I've never seen
That mean
more-
anything helpful?
arbitrary thing that means nothing to anything.
LSEG says 30.9, 2170.
This one's great.
Chart.
That chart looks like caca, so that's perfect. That's right up my alley.
It looks like caca. 45 cents.
45
Quarterly.
cents. At 8 point. Okay.
8.19.
Look at the earnings. Made $1.03.
That's pretty good, right?
Yeah.
And I don't know about P's.
Okay, just have
whatever.
one thing to look at is the. Yep. Put her on the list. That's a good one.
Put it on the list. 4.68.
12:30, 45, 8:19.
What am I doing
12:30.
for this one?
That's 8.19.
I don't do the day first.
45. 8.19.
Okay.
I'm gonna just look up the sector thing.
I will in a second. So it was 2165.
$12.91. That's a pretty low PE for that sector. That's pretty good.
What was it? 1291.
$12.91.
I probably have the wrong number there. No, I got that right. And then
LSEG was 30 something, $30 and some cents.
should I override it with 39?
No, just do 30. It's fine.
30 even?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. MTN. This one's gonna be expensive.
You know that off the top of your head?
No, I don't. I've never actually looked at it, but I'm just like looking at the price.
Vail Resorts? Oh, yeah.
Just
You knew
looking
it.
at their dividend amount was $2.22. It has to be expensive as shit. All right. 142. Scroll down. Do our initial cursory thing. Look at the chart. Well, that chart looks like crap. I don't have to see the chart. I can just tell it's gonna look like crap. See that right there? Year to date's down 24%. So
Yikes.
like maxed out like the first week of January. Cool. 174.
Quarterly 222. Do they have money? Negative 5.2? Is that what I'm seeing?
Yeah, we just go into that. Actually, click on this, show more.
What the hell?
Do Gap. See if Gap does anything. No, that one's gone.
Nope, that one's negatives. That's gross. Yucky.
That one's gone.
No thank you. Delete. Okay. AEF.
AEF.
Wait, that
We
means
just
something.
got into this one in the retirement account like a month ago.
AEF. Okay.
Emerging markets. This is the closing fund. You can tell by the Morningstar data right there.
Chart.
That's
Whoop.
a pretty sick chart, actually.
Nice, nice. Got all these weird ratings on the sides.
306 million assets under management with only 69 holdings. Okay.
Baby, you're mumbling.
I'm thinking.
Okay.
This
Ex-Dividend, 18 cents.
one- Okay.
Quarterly stuff.
Got premium to discount. So 921 discount. That's a little overvalued compared to how it was.
921.
Right there. 921 is the
Oh.
discount. That's what it is.
1340.
The average for the year is was it negative 11?
11.19.
So click on the since inception.
34.
No, but you're looking at the average. You don't care about the whole.
1178.
So this one's undervalued according to historical data. Go back up to the when it was inception date. It's that big box of shit that's just babbling right there. You just pass the fund profile.
You assume I know what you're talking about when you say big box of crap.
So it's been around since
89.
1989, and it's like, okay, so this one's severely undervalued. So we're going to put 10% undervalued in our chart
Why 10?
because I don't believe that it's $11 premium. I think there might be some flaw in the data there, but I still think it's still -9 compared to where it's now. What this negative 921 is saying is everything in the portfolio should add up to this amount. And if you scroll up to the price,
6 something.
the price doesn't match that. So that's what that discount to NAV means.
So why are you going with 10?
Because I don't believe the -11 in that case, but I know it's 10% undervalued compared to its NAV, so 10% undervalued. Otherwise, it would be 20% undervalued, or like 21 or whatever the fuck it was.
Okay.
So now you just fill the other stuff in. It's a keep.
Okay. Close.
So
691.
691. You see, like, doing this, how you become, like, familiar with all sorts of things when you're looking up stocks just in your free time, if you do that, if you're a nerd like me.
18 cents.
12.31. The more, like, who was it said that? Is Peter Lynch the one that said that? The more stones you turn over, the better you win, or some shit?
I forget what the phrase was, but the more stones you turn over, the more gold nuggets you turn.
942.
Okay, profit margin.
See, we have to, like...
Do they have profit margins for these?
No.
Okay, so it's a blank, and buy up to is what?
760. That's its NAV.
Okay.
You see, like, how we have a different, like, evaluation for
760.
for closing the funds in that list.
Right.
Like, normally, if it's a normal stock, you're doing PE versus PE, but if it's a closing the fund, you're just basically doing if it's fair valued, undervalued, or overvalued, or whatever. FAX is the next one.
FAX.
Seems to be a theme there, because now we're doing emerging markets and Asia Pacific.
Asia Pacific.
Wait to see that chart. Ew.
Holy crap.
Ew, that is dookie. That's a dookie mess, but it's still up year to date, so I guess that's something.
That's crazy. Honestly, they started out of hell and low.
Holy fuck. Go all the way to the bottom. You're doing that.
You want to do this first?
Yeah.
All right. So the average is negative 5.98.
That's for the 1 year. Now you do you always want to check the inception, because that is
A 95.54.
yeah, that's not accurate. So
5.99.
1645 is, so it is 5% undervalued.
Okay.
So go back to your chart where you had the 10% on the one above it. You put 5% there.
Okay. I'll do the undervalued later.
You can put your price in there when you're looking at it, whatever the price was. Current price.
16?
1645 is the buy up to. That's not necessarily always the case. There's sometimes, like, I'll show you if we actually come across one that has a reliable discount premium chart thing there.
16.5.
17. Always round up. Because if you put 16.5 in there, it's going to round up to 17. So
I gotcha. Yield 12.92.
it's 12.31.
What?
12.31.
Oh, can you say December when you do that? Because I fucking get confused what the hell you're talking about. Like, every time you've done it so far. I think you're trying to give me numbers from something else. Okay, pumpkin?
No.
No.
1532. 1532. So this one is kind of uck. But we'll see what the list looks like. We might have to nix it. Wait, you gotta put undervalued.
I just said I'll do that later.
But that's...
Oh my god. You can't just let me have a free hand, because I can't... This is why I'm having a problem here.
You have to click on the bar up there.
No, I don't.
It's so much faster to do it my way.
Don't tell me what to do.
That's the healthcare one. I would assume this one's overvalued, but we'll look.
92.
That chart is better than the last one, but still kind of eh. This one has a lot of assets under management, 803 million. That's what it holds.
18 cents, 11.42 monthly. Or yield.
Okay, so it says 247.
Negative 0.81. Negative 7.48.
All right, there. So you'll see, like, we don't always think this is the buy up to. I want to highlight this. We don't always think that the closing NAV is the buy up to price. It depends on all this data here, but you see the negative 748.
Mm-hmm.
Highlight the negative 748.
I can't highlight it. It's in a chart.
Oh, and you see the negative 247. This one's at least 5% overvalued. This is no good.
So we're nixing it.
Yes.
Bye-bye, THQ.
And you do that with closed-ended funds, like, because they almost always trade to a premium or discount, and if the historical discount is much lower than it currently is, then you have to nix it, even though it was technically it was undervalued compared to its NAV. That doesn't mean anything because they always trade like normal stocks, but they have the discount to premium. Well, you have to X out of that. You have to do that corner thing there.
How the hell did that get hit? Look at that chart.
That chart's pretty sick. I told you, M-rates, man.
M-rates for 2026.
M-rates for 2026. If you haven't watched
No, it'll post on Thursday.
the Thursday will be the live stream. Or
We
the,
just
I'm sorry,
we
the
just recorded
podcast
it.
for the 2026.
Just recorded it, but it's the
And
predictions for 2026.
Spoiler, M-rates should do pretty good.
Pretty good. All right, 1076.
Okay,
Dividend,
L6.
12 cents.
L6 is what? You should roll right by it. 1030.
3.
Okay, I have to look this one up.
1079,
I'll find this just
1030.
to verify that.
Okay, 12 cents versus.
So this one's cutting it close because the gap is 36. But
Is that monthly, right?
But so that's 30.
36.
So it's 36, and this
35.
one's 35. So they're gonna have to do a little bit of debt tapping, but I think I might be okay with that. Let's see how everything else looks.
Should we look at more, or should we go down here?
No, I'll go in there. So that's good. Profit margin.
22%.
Again, REITs are. You can't really use profit margin. I understand that, but because we have to do apples to apples, so we can create a chart.
Mm-hmm.
Go to Yahoo
What is
Finance.
this debt doing?
It's
Went up.
the REITs always have ridiculous debt.
Okay, what do you want me to do now? AG&C?
Yeah. 'Cause there's no reason to do all the other stuff if AG&C is overvalued. I don't think it is, but according to the data, it might be. 1076 analysis paralysis.
You want this thing down here?
I always look at that. So 4% growth projected. Okay. Now that growth estimate's for revenue. It's not for anything. It's just like that they're projecting the revenue to grow 4% next year.
Allegedly.
So we like to see that.
1030.
1030. And this is overvalued. Exit.
Is that actually accurate?
Yeah.
So you nixed it.
Yep.
Even though we
We
have
go with the data, even though we hold it and I like it. It doesn't matter. The data says.
I know why. I don't know why that font is so small.
Data says it's overvalued, so exit.
Okay. I'll let this save work. We should check that every time. First.
I do.
Do you?
You don't do it my way. My way is blah blah blah.
Blah, blah, blah.
Just L. 2227.
2227?
So go back into Yahoo to verify that.
Oh.
Anytime the numbers gives me a question, I go into Yahoo to see what the experts are saying. Generally, the experts and the number from Schwab are reasonably close, but every now and then you'll find one where it's ridiculous.
2227. Next.
Yeah, next. And you see, here, I'll go back to that once. I'll show you why I do this. Because an LSAG is just like a computer algorithm that runs stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas this is, they take up all these ones over here, the 4 buys, the 4 holds, or the 4 buys, the 4 strong buys, and the 5 holds. And they average their price target for the year, and that's what that average is. So that's, what is that? 13 average together to give you 227. And it's 2294. So it's overvalued, so it's gone.
Bye-bye.
Even though I like it and I think it's going to have an awesome year, it doesn't matter. It's what the data says at the time.
So that would be one you might put on the watch list, and if it drops down to a price point, you might pick it up. Yes?
Yeah, yes.
So that's the deal.
We'll check it next
Again,
month.
spoiler alert, it's in the episode that's coming up on Thursday.
I think they're underestimating how much growth and price appreciation the M-REITs are going to have. So, but that's my opinion.
Well, but even if it isn't technically overvalued, the sentiment is going to perceive it as overvalued because of the experts saying the thing, right? So it should drop down in price. So even if you wanted to pick it up, you'd have that component too. Why did I just look this up in here?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I turn you loose and you just
Do crazy stuff?
make a laughing stock of my system.
Fuck off. 1055? Do I check in the other thing? Or do we go down?
And I can go down.
25 cents. 3.
So is it 25 per quarter or for a month?
Quarter.
Okay, so that's good.
So we're good there. P's, yeah.
1026.
And then we have
Yeah,
1019.
that one can make the list.
Okay, so what do we have? We have
1026.
1026. Oh, it's clicking. This is very tedious.
I told you. Especially when you're putting like Chinese
Shush.
symbols in the data.
I am not putting Chinese symbols in the data. Don't even start. Don't even start with me. Butthole. 9.89. 0.25. 9.
We haven't even done the hard part yet.
Shh. Well, you do the hard part. You do all the heavy lifting, because
12/31. December 31. I mean, what the hell do you think I'm saying when I say 12/31?
I literally think you're trying to plug in stuff that I'm not looking at ahead, like giving me like help over here. Did I put that in the wrong? Profit margin. Shit. Where the fuck was that at?
Ball at the bottom. The Pearson ratio thing right there.
Yeah, 19.01.
It's a pretty healthy profit margin, but again, you need free cash flow and you need the FFO and the AFFO for REITs. This is a BDC. So
Are we just going with the LSEG?
Yeah.
1055?
Yeah. I told you, like the LSAG and all the experts kind of similar.
Did I say that right? 1055?
1055. Yeah.
Why my brain is this? So 995.
And then you have to look up the
This isn't in
sector
here, is
average.
it?
I think we did that.
Oh,
We did that before. I forget what it was. 12.
it's the top one that we deleted, I think.
Yeah.
Because you're a butthole.
Yeah.
And don't leave things places.
That's me.
93.
1923. I mean, that sounds familiar.
Okay. BGS.
BGS. Now this one I'm pretty sure is a no-go, but I wanted to see like so we all can laugh at it together.
What the hell does that mean?
Everyone there's a lot of people that talk about BGS in their YouTube videos and everything.
BGS.
Because it's a food one, and everybody needs to eat. Blah 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 blah. And then I forget what frozen food they do, but oof.
Look at that chart. The hell happened in July?
That's rough.
Did they cut their dividend or something? Possibly.
Price target of 450. What's this trade now? So it's about
Par.
Okay.
Okay. 19 cents.
Yeah.
15
Gap
cents.
doesn't cover it.
Gap doesn't cover.
Scroll down.
And that's quarterly.
Scroll down a little bit more. There you go.
Net profit negative.
Yeah. So like any time that this is negative, I just nix it automatically. Like you can. I wanted you guys to see like what a really bad financial situation looks like, and that's one of them.
CGBD.
Because the net profit, regardless if it's in a REIT or BDC or anything like that, it's like if their net profit is negative, they don't have enough money to pay their dividend. They have to get the dividend from somewhere.
1247, 1336. What did I just click on?
So there's the whole report. Yeah, what is it? So like that chart looks like crap too.
It's like the Coney.
Oh, I kind of like how that chart looks actually.
It looks like crap, but I love it. 40 cents quarterly. 38. 30% net profit.
And you see, like that's another box right there you have to look at. Because
EPS.
that means they're projected to lose like 10% between 3 and 5 years from now in their EPS, which is not good. I don't like this one.
Just because of that?
No, I don't like that they can't cover
Can't cover the dividend?
Can't cover the dividend. And their chart is absolute atrocious.
So if they had other things going for them, you may let this slide if you went back in whatever history you saw that they actually had more stuff coming in. Like this could add the list if it needed to.
They do have like if you look, they have a net profit margin of 30%. So that means they should in theory have enough cash to cover the dividend, even though they're not making enough. So I would be able to go with that. But the fact that EPS is projected to grow that poorly and the chart already looks that bad,
Right.
leads me to believe that you're basically paying for a whatever it was 10% whatever yield.
I don't remember.
So
13
so you're basically willing to lose money to get a 13% yield, but then the question is how much money you're going to lose, and that's one of those risk reward things. If you think it's only going to go down like 5 to 6%, and you would want to buy it, well then you're only going to be getting like a 6 or 7% yield for the year. So,
And there's better options.
There are better.
So that's the
options.
thing, and that was the thing. Like, if it was just one thing off, you might be able to let it go. Like, if the chart was immaculate, the other things. But the combination factor is what throws it in the no-go list. Chimera! Isn't that like a freaking twinsy, weird, mythical creature?
I think so.
Look at that band.
So that chart's okay.
I'll say 14.5.
Okay.
12.74.
So this one looks okay so far. Let's stick
Okay.
Stick into the other
37
research.
cents.
37.
I like the 11%. 37 non-gap, so it covers it just in itself. Profit
Yeah,
margins
that one's on the list. Put her on the list.
7.03. Mm.
It has some prefers too. Like, I mean, I don't know if we showed you that before. Scroll at the bottom. But it does have some prefers. To say you're not willing to take a risk on the stock itself. It has all these preferred shares. And this last close price over here, that's $25. That's what prefers normally go for. Not always, but normally.
But this is below that, isn't it? Yeah, so why would you?
Because it's safer. You actually.
Well, it's safer, but you... Is the yield
It's
bigger?
safer.
The yield's bigger too, isn't it? Or is it 11? I can't remember.
It's 11, so it's about the same.
11.39. Yeah.
So that's just about a safety
So
thing.
would you actually put a preferred on this list?
No.
You just... Okay.
I just buy the stock.
Why?
Because I can get more shares for the same amount of money.
Okay.
And you're getting the same yield for the same company with the same problems. Only thing a preferred does is make sure that you get paid before the people that have, like, the shareholders get paid.
Was it 38? I can't remember here. Mm-hmm.
Was that a 17 or a 7?
37. What?
What was the bottom number? 703.
What did I put in?
17.
Mm.
Let's say 17. Fuck, I would have been all for this.
Catch me. Catch me. Doing stupid shit.
So it's 762.
31st. 11.39. What is it? 38? 37.
You just bounce all over the fucking place, don't you? There's no order to your shit.
It's because I can't remember certain numbers like back to back. 1274.
It's like, tra-la-la-la-la, I'm over here, I'm over there, I'm over here. With 762.
I gotta go private margin. Hold on. We got
You already
this.
got the profit margin, the PE at 762.
Yeah, okay, 762. Well, I knew what I was looking for. I just called it the wrong thing.
Versus 1923.
762 versus what?
1923. It's the
Oh,
same.
so this is an M rate too?
Rate, yeah.
That's nice that you know that. And what was this one? It was like 13 something. 14.5?
1450.
You gonna run with it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. CC cap.
So we're getting there. The list is taking shape. I can't wait till we get to O. It's gonna piss off a lot of people like the gold, like the gold thing did.
Wait, cap or? God damn it.
CCAP.
Did I just? No, okay, I did. Ow! Oh my god, I'm so sore from yesterday. Okay.
Chart
LSEG
is,
15, 17.
that chart is really bad.
Mucho no bueno.
No reason I say it's really bad is you look at the last little bump there, like it appears that it's in a downward trajectory, so you could probably get it for cheaper, but okay.
Okay, 42 cents.
That's
quarterly.
42, but it has a special dividend. Oh, no, it doesn't. Like, click on show more. I'm going to show them real quick. If you go into show more, like anytime in Schwab, you can go down here to the dividend. And if, like, sometimes there'll be a number down here where you can flip through them. So this one does not have a special dividend. It's just 42 cents. But
Why'd you think it was special?
because it has special dividend the last two quarters.
Oh, so you just know that off top hand.
I was hoping there was a special dividend. It's
You're
not.
like,
I was hoping. I was
40
hopeful.
42 cents versus the 46.
So that's covered.
Covered.
7.99.
And profit margin. Here's a negative EPS though.
Negative 13, 3 to 5 years.
Mm.
So that's where you have to, like,
Weigh everything in, and you said you don't
Actually
like
put-
that.
put it all together.
What's it saying, boss? Debt's increasing.
Go back up to the dividend. So it's 11%. But I put it on the list.
Do explain?
Because if it's going to go down 13% in 3 to 5 years, and you're making 11% per year, that's going to be 33%. So even if it goes down 13, you're still up 20% in 3 to 5 years,
Mm-hmm.
or 3 years. But if it took 5 years for it to go drop to 13, you would be up. What is that? 55 minus 13, so 30, 42. You'd be up 42% if you held it for the full 5 years. There's lots of like things you have to think about, like that one there in particular, because it's projected to be down 13.5% in 3 to 5 years. So if you know, I mean, I wish investing was that easy, where if you got into an investment, you knew like going into it, this is going to lose 10% in 3 years. And you could be like, well, my yield's going to be covering 20%, so I'll make 10% in this investment over 3 years. At that point, is it worth it? It's not, but this one is, because that's a pretty substantial. You're still going to be making 20% in 3 years, which is 7% on a BDC, which could very well turn around because their BDCs are very sensitive to interest rates.
Okay, so this is BDC, so we should be in
Capital
pop
markets.
out.
20.
Are you trying to guess? You pulling this out of your butt?
26.
23.
23.96, and then there's a 6 in it and a 2. Because we covered it. It's in the Benjamin Franklin one, 23.96.
The Benjamin Franklin one. Oh my god.
EFC, I think, is not a good one, but we'll see.
EFC. Okay. EFC.
But this one's like, is this the one I'm thinking of where it trades in a band for the whole year?
Kind of.
Yeah. This might be a good one. I don't know. We'll see.
13.75.
It's an MREIT.
14.
Okay. Good.
13 cents.
So 39.
11%.
So covered it by 14 cents because it's 39.
P 70.59. Profit margins.
Oh yeah, that's a really good one. That's a really good one. That one, yeah, go on the list.
23.75. Okay.
So like once you understand the data points, it's pretty easy to where you can just scroll through a ticker thing on a page and you'd be like, okay, that's a good one, that's a bad one.
Right, and I think honestly, like the more you go through the motions, it just becomes a fluid thing. Cause it's like I didn't even know what I was looking for. 7959. And doing this chart, I think actually helps
made me a better investor actually.
Right, because it like keeps you.
It's the MREIT one. I'm pretty sure it's the MREIT one.
11, 19, 13.
So is that 1923?
And let's make sure the date is the 31st. Okay.
Problem is my spreadsheet's created for
1376.
2025, so like I don't know how to correct it when we're in January of 2026. You'll see when we get to January.
Oh, you. Does that mean I have to fix your spreadsheet for you?
I'll figure it out.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I normally
You'll be
do.
like, I need help. Like, last minute, 1463. And you said this is MREIT? I double check.
That'd be the 19.
MREIT, mortgage, real estate, yeah. So it's that
1923.
1291? 1923, yeah.
1923. Why do we have to condense this list into 10?
Yeah, that's all you. I'm the data monkey. EPR. Yeah.
EPR, I believe.
EPR is a good one.
It used to be. I don't know if it still is. I haven't looked at it in a hot minute.
Well, that's another thing too. If you actually hold these stocks, if you go through the motions of looking through these each, thing, when they pop up, you
looks good so far.
49.
Let's look at the chart.
56.89. 29.5.
That's troublesome because 29.5, that would be 60,
So monthly.
90 cents.
So 30 times.
That'd be 88.5 cents.
Yeah, so that's actually low. All right, so let's go check out the net profits. 28%. Debt steady. All right, so what's your thoughts on this one? Slow man.
Go in the earnings hit show more, the bottom thing there.
This?
Yeah.
This is where you dig further.
Okay.
What the hell happened there?
I don't know. No, it's not good. Get it off the
What are you
list.
looking at?
Just trying to find any way to justify it having a dividend that's not covered by its earnings.
Okay, and you found nothing to.
No, nothing that would make me Maybe we could double check if you click on specialized REITs. I'm pretty sure it's like that's some astronomical number though. So it'll look like it's
What am I looking at?
valuation.
Oh,
Same thing you've been doing.
2181.
So 1919 is the okay. Go back in there. X out of that corner thing. So go down. So 1543. No.
No.
X that one out. I don't like that one.
Again.
I like the stock, but I don't like the numbers. And that's like
Currently.
one of those things where
Okay.
every now and then we used to own EPR.
GSPD.
If I was into anything, I'd probably get it. I'd probably, if I had to get into EPR because I really believed in it, I would actually go into one of their preferreds that was at the bottom.
I nixed out, so I'm not going back. I've come too far.
Come too far. This one's actually at a 52-week low. That's pretty sick.
956. Yeah, but what did their stupid thing say? 1006. So that was lower. Look at that freaking downward yucky.
It's a BDC, so the interest rates are crushing it.
But you said you think they're going to be good next year? 32.
Click on the show more because this might be one of those weird ones where it has shit everywhere in the dividend thing. Upcoming dividends going on.
What do you mean they have it everywhere?
Oh, they don't. So it's 32. So they had one, two. They have. Look at that, man. They had a fucking special, an extra, a special, an extra, a special, an extra. They're just dropping dividends left and right.
Interesting. Let's see what they got for covering. What are we at here? 40 cents or 40 gap. Where are we at? 32 quarterly.
Yeah, so it covers it. I actually really like how this is set up. Actually.
And PE 649. 34 profit margin. Very nice.
That one goes on the list.
That one goes on the list.
I just like from the
30%
chart
too.
perspective.
Okay.
Like I know it's like an oxymoron basically because people are looking at charts and they want to like
Contrarian.
they don't like to see when a chart looks like that. Looks like an absolute
Right.
shit show for
We've
a
had
chart.
a lot of people actually tell us that that's no good, or like give a shit for it. 649.
But like I want something that's out of favor with everybody else, so that way I'm getting it at a really good price.
Which hedges your risk when you get into things like that.
And this one here,
And it has money to cover.
it's a 13% yield, so I have a 13% buffer. So like whatever the price is, 9 something minus 10% would be 90%. So you're looking at like 850 before you really have to start panicking about like, oh, I may have lost my shirt. And like that's very difficult for something like this because it's actually generating a good amount of. I'll show you here in a second.
I don't know what I just did.
Oh, it doesn't like that one. All right, all right.
I totally fucked that up. Oh my god. Hold on. What just happened? Oh
All
my
right, good.
god.
1223.
I don't know what happened. I don't know. There we go. Criminy. So many issues. 956. Are we using this one?
Yeah.
956. What was that? 1006. That's not the right number. What?
I'm gonna go down. Go back into that, and then scroll down, so I can show them what I'm talking about.
About what?
The revenue, it's generating 383 million a quarter. So
That's
that's
a lot.
that's 1.3 billion around there. So like if this like the odds of this going to zero are pretty slim. So that's what I was saying. Like I have a 13% buffer, and 13% of 956 is what, like 870 or something like that.
2396. I should have known this.
So that one probably might actually make the list because of that amount of revenue it's generating. That's crazy. And here's IPR. I'm pretty sure IPR is not going to make the list. But even though we hold it,
We
and
hold
I like
it.
it. I like it a lot.
Alright, I like it.
I recommend it to everybody.
I think you're freaky.
But it's about what's the best thing going ex-dividend next week, and I'm not sure that this is going to make the cut.
Look at that chart.
The chart looks like crap.
Right. It was like really.
It used to be really good.
It was 130 there for a while.
Yeah.
from what I remember. What is that? 50.10. What is their prediction? 57.25. $1.90. And
Their earnings don't cover that even slightly.
no, not even slightly. Is that quarterly? Yeah. So this is where they get 45% profit margin. And they did have some like tenant issues there because of crap, but now that the Fed is
Go back up.
legalizing the marijuana.
Click on show more there. What is it making per share there? Go up to non-gap. Or yeah, go up there. Go to non-gap. Looking at 101. Okay, do the gap again.
They're so loud.
Yeah, it doesn't. No, get rid of that one.
Okay.
And I really like this one, but
So
like
even though we're in it,
the fact that it's only making like $1 and it's paying out $1.90 means they're gonna have to cut the dividend. There's no there's no
and I think we've even said that a couple times in the thing.
there's no telling what the stock price will do when they cut the dividend.
Mm-hmm.
So that's not really worth the risk for all you peeps there. Now this one, I'm gonna tell you a little secret about this one that you're not
secret.
You're not gonna hear from most other people.
The sneaky
The
secret.
people that run this one run Main Street Capital.
Really?
Yeah.
Do people not know that?
A lot of people don't.
Yeah, that chart.
This one's, I mean, I know it's going on the list, so you can just start.
I know it's gone on the list. 1320, 1567.
Yeah, I know it's going on the list, so it's 35 and 35. Like, once I found out that Main Street Capital, like, was running this one, I was like, holy crap. Because if you don't know, Main Street Capital is probably one of the best BDCs, like, best ran BDCs out there. They're really on point with how they run it. It's pretty sick.
Let's say 35.
Mm-hmm.
Shit.
10.39,
35?
I think.
God, I hate my number. Yeah, you're right. Number brain all running together. Profit cap, PE 8.9. And holy shites.
But it's one of those that looks better, but because it's a BDC, like,
Yeah.
it's not necessarily that
Right.
ticket.
Because of the 90% payouts thing.
That would be the 23.96.
This one?
Yeah.
93.96. Cool. And then we have 57.49. It was 15 something, I think.
15, that's low.
1567. Do you want me to check the other one?
No, you can, but yeah, might as well go and just
I'm
draw.
curious.
That's low.
What was the ticker?
MSIF.
Massif.
Because this one would probably be worth $30 or $40 in like 10 years.
Very nice. Do I have to look at you want your growth estimates?
Mm-hmm.
That's not very much.
Doesn't say shit, doesn't it? Looks like crap.
Looks like poopadook.
1560.
1560. What was this one? 1567.
Mm.
What do you want to go with?
1560.
Okay.
Still a lot of revenue. That's like, what is that? 12%
Yeah.
plus 10.39.
OBDC.
OBDC. OBDC.
Are we actually live?
I think.
I hope so.
It says live.
Yeah,
You're just
okay.
taking your time here. It's going to take longer than an hour at this rate.
I don't care. Do you care?
No. I'd like to go out and lay down, but
Well, maybe we can nix. Oh, is gonna get crucified here in a
there's
second.
going to be a whole bunch of people
OBDC.
pissed about that one.
Should we save that one for last?
No.
Why not?
Because I just like go in the order we have them. It's going to piss a lot of people off.
You always say that.
1255, and I'm pretty accurate in it.
14 something. Look at that chart.
That chart looks pretty good too.
37, 12%, 36.
I look at everything else.
Oh, there's a negative EPS.
Get rid of that.
Get rid of it. Yeah. That's what we like to see. Narrowing the list.
We're into everybody's favorite fucking REIT. Here we go.
That was super quick.
Let's look at it.
Oh.
Let's dissect everyone's favorite REIT.
All right. What are we doing?
55.93. The chart looks pretty good.
6261.
Mm-hmm.
27 dividend.
What
is that monthly? 27.
They better be able to cover it.
Line cap is 35. They can't even cover it. Look at that. 27 monthly. 35 quarterly.
Yes, you have to click in there and go look at it.
This?
Yeah.
Okay.
Click on
So
the
there's
non-gap.
gap. There's non-gap.
So it's looking at 38. So it looks like they're not going to be able to afford their dividend the next quarter as well.
Isn't that what we said? We said it was going to eventually come due because there was stuff in their metrics a while back that just did not look right.
Okay, X out of that so we can go look at other stuff.
And we said it was going to catch up eventually.
It never will.
17. I mean, they'll probably try to extend it as long as possible.
Because all the experts are like
in love with this one, right?
In love with this one.
And this one's one of the dividend aristocrats or something, maybe a king, I can't remember. But I would imagine they're going to do everything possible to keep that thing not. But that doesn't mean.
No, it's off the list.
Because
it can't cover its dividend.
Covers dividend, okay.
I don't
care.
Talk
like, smack more?
I don't like whenever a company has to like borrow
from
or
itself.
sell stuff to cover their dividend. I don't care if they have like a bunch of money, like cash flow and everything like that. I don't care. Like to me, that's a no-no.
That is bad business practices.
And I know it's going to piss a lot of people off. Like, you're not looking at the right metrics. You have to look at FFO and all other stuff. That's fine and dandy, but like whenever you're doing like these lists that are pretty taxing and like tough to do, when you have like 1,000 things to start.
There's another one, 48, 40. Doesn't cover.
Click on there, show more.
And negatives.
Yeah, that one's off the list.
Do I need to look at show more?
No. And we're in that one too, STW in the retirement portfolio.
STM, interesting. So it's interesting that the ones we're in, like, we wouldn't even get into them right now.
Well, we got into them when they were good, so like that's.
Well, this is true. So we have like the risk hedge already factored in. 1247, 13.1 chart.
Chart looks sick. I like that chart. It's coming off a 52-week low.
13 cents. What are we at? It's 32. Is it monthly? So 13 times 3.
40 cents around there.
So it doesn't cut.
Yeah.
And this is slowly declining. That's not good in my opinion. 29.
And we were in that. We got out of it for that reason. Actually, this is one of the ones I actually got out of.
Do I need to look at anything else?
No.
Or Nixon?
Yeah.
All right.
When you start like making
excuses
for things, that's when you have like an Icon or a Camping World in your hands where you like it.
Did we have that happen because of that?
No, but like I'm just saying that's going to contribute to that.
Okay, I wasn't sure. We did learn a lot in the last like 2 years. 1521.
That chart's pretty sick. It's
1644.
trading sideways since
Right?
like
I
August.
love sideways charts. Are we still in Trinity?
Yeah.
52. Is that monthly?
No, it's
Where are we at? What the hell did I just do?
It's
51 quarterly and 52. So
Yeah.
it meets it
Yeah.
on gap. PE 73. 50% profit margin.
And that one goes on our list.
Yeah.
That's like I remember we were talking about this before. I said all this one does is just print money for me.
Mm-hmm.
And like I don't know anyone else that talks about Trinity Capital. Like literally just like
It's
here.
really weird because we got all our initial investment out and we just had to keep selling shares because it kept like pushing the allocation percent of the
Yeah, it
portfolio.
kept going. It kept
We just kept
exceeding the
pushing it up.
5%. So I was like, wow.
We had to keep trimming. It was ridiculous. Have we trimmed it in a while? I don't think we have.
No.
Because it pulled back, didn't it?
Well, we put more money in the account, so I have more room to maneuver with now.
So now you're like, oh, it's not 5% of the
Yeah,
portfolio,
it's not
so now I can
5%,
just
now
keep going.
I can just grow for a while.
That was actually really funny. 34.7, 51. That's actually really funny. And that's a high yield. Like, I don't know why people aren't talking about Trin.
That's 4.7.
4.7 what? Did I get the wrong number?
13.47.
Okay.
This one's actually undervalued too, because it was trading at like 18, I think, earlier in the year.
was it? 14, 15, 21.
Let me go back to the chart once. I'm pretty sure it was above 18 at one
Hold your
point.
freaking horses, bro. 1644. There's your chart.
What was the 52-week high?
How do I fix that?
Do 3 year.
What?
Do a 3 year. I'm trying to click on the H. What was that at? That's not the
What
H.
H? I'm trying. It doesn't want me to touch it. How the hell did you do that?
1610. Okay, so 16 is what I was thinking of. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm fucking skilled, yo.
Don't be so cocky. Even though you probably are.
That's the BDC, so it's going to be the 2396.
Thank you for shortcutting me that. Jesus God.
Then we have the old BMY.
BMY.
I'm pretty sure this one won't make the cut either. Even though I love it.
Fell off a freaking cliff though. Didn't it?
I'm gonna. No, it's been doing all right.
No, but I mean, isn't this one we lost in because we got in and it dropped again?
No, we're up in this
No,
one.
I'm thinking of something different then. LBY? LYB? LYB is the one I'm thinking of. 5428. Look at that chart.
Yeah, so it did fall off.
Cup and
cliff,
handle?
but
It did.
But we got into it like down one of those little valleys down yonder.
54.2.
Yeah, go
54.28.
Double check that.
Alright, so we're going to do this right off the bat because if it's no bueno, it's no bueno.
Well, I think it's low, but that's just my opinion. I'm not the expert. Not to be confused with not the expert who I was watching on his YouTube
Oh, you do
channel
love
one time.
him. Sure. Negative 8.32?
Yeah.
It's not a good number.
Just grew 400% this year, though, so
54.50?
54.50.
What was that?
Look at the rest of the stuff.
63 cents.
Mm-hmm. Crushed it with that. Wow, that EPS is pretty sick.
Holy shit, 63 cents and it's 1.6.
Well, they got to put a lot of money into research and development and shit like that.
Are you kidding me right now? Look at that.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that one goes on the list just for that reason. I'm telling you, man. I said like last year, or the year before, so this is one to watch for 5 to 10 years.
12.59.
They're projecting 75% growth. Holy fuck sickles.
Mm.
You should know about that. Nobody knows anything about it.
Why? Nobody
Look at
talks
that
about
peg.
this one
That peg's
either?
ridiculously low too.
Nobody talks about this one? 831?
Anything under 1 is grotesquely undervalued.
That's not what I said.
Well, people know about Bristol Myers. They just
Oh.
don't have the desire to talk about it because it's boring. It's just like pills. Pills for the ills. And the yield's not anything spectacular.
Yeah, but this is one of those growers, isn't it?
You got the dividend growth. It's, I want to say 20 years.
Ex-Dividend date, so it's January 2nd. Ooh, we got a different date in here.
What's that? So like
So
when you
1,
do
2,
1, 2, it
2026.
it goes.
What do you mean it goes up?
I have it set so it just autofills, but it doesn't autofill anymore once you get to 26. I have to figure that out.
What the hell are you talking about?
Can you just pipe in 1230 and it fills it into 1230 2025? If you type 1 2, it fills it in 1 2 2025.
1, 2. It's not doing anything.
Oh, 1 2 enter.
It's because it's in the year that you're in. It does the year that you're in.
I have to wait like another week.
Yeah, and then it'll start doing 26.
Oh my, gross.
You didn't know that?
No, I don't use shit.
I don't use shit. I don't know anything about technology. I'm an old.
I'm a boomer.
You're not a boomer. You're a Gen Xer.
I'm a boomer at heart.
Yeah, 54.28.
I still think 54.50 is low, so, but I guess.
Is that what we're putting in?
Yeah.
54.50? And do you know what the thing is for this one?
Alpha. I don't know the first one. Now it's your pharmaceuticals. Who the hell knows?
Pharmacals. All right. Get the fuck out of my way. 2606.
2606. So see what I'm saying? It's like super undervalued compared to its peers, but like it has a price of 54.50. That's crazy.
DX.
I'm pretty sure this one's not one, but We'll double check. We just bought into this one in the retirement account like a couple months ago. So I'm pretty sure this one's overvalued. But let's look.
DX.
Overvalued, or the financial metrics have ruined my life.
Have ruined your life. 1381.
Like
14.
The chart looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does look pretty good. I do like 17 cents.
Yeah, that's not
25.
gonna cover it.
Monthly.
It's
Not even close.
17, 34, 44,
Not
51.
even close.
So click on the show more and see like if there's some shit I'm not seeing.
Ugh. I don't like that.
Well, look, the gap though is $1.08.
I don't like this.
Click back on the gap. General accepted accounting principles. Not this. I'm pretty sure that's what it stands for. Man, I guess exit out of it, but I think the $1.08's the good number. All right.
The good number?
I think the $1.08's good.
So what are you saying? You're
Exit,
saying that...
get it off the chart. I said delete it.
Oh.
I'm
No.
pretty sure that it can afford its dividend though, but consistency is the key.
Having a strategy and holding to it.
Consistency, that's what I just said. I don't know what you're typing.
Letters that I don't think make any sense. Is that what it even was? FCPC? Yes, I got it. Okay. 33.95.
Well, that chart looks fucking nice too.
38. 34. Okay.
Chart looks really luscious.
The luscious.
Luscious.
So previous 31 cents.
So
Why does it say previous?
Click on show more.
Did they cut this dividend or something? What the hell is that?
Go down. Let's see. Special dividend of $1 on January 2nd.
Oh, so is this one to be like on the list just because of the special?
It depends if everything else is good.
Okay.
You can't just get into stuff because of
So
a special
question,
dividend.
So previous 31, so you go off the previous because it wasn't a special, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then your non-gap 7, was that monthly? No, it's quarterly, so that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Forward PE, 12.96, and...
Yeah, put that one on the list. That's a good one. Even without even with the 31-cent dividend or whatever it is. But you're going to put $1 instead of 31, but you have to make a note at the far right that it's a special dividend for $1. The regular 31 goes ex-div in January.
Total was $1.08?
This is $1.
I don't know what you do here. What'd you do, 31 cents?
No, it's $1. You're getting $1 dividend.
Last 0.31. What the fuck?
Oh my God!
Stop. Just don't.
What is
I
that?
don't-
I can't translate that when I have to type it into the
You
email.
can put it in your thing when you decide to use the computer. You made me do this. I'm doing it my way. Lover of mine.
Did you look everything else up? Profit margin?
3.57. I did look at the profit margin.
Okay, then what's the PE?
You're distracting me. Get out of here. Stop.
So what's the PE?
Wait, what am I even looking at?
I don't know what you're doing.
3.57.
You're doing some crazy shit right now. That's what happens if you don't have a fucking pattern and stick to it. You just start bouncing around and you have no idea what's going on.
I haven't done this enough to be able to do that yet.
You've been doing it for like an hour and a half. You should be good.
Oh my god. Don't you know I take way longer to get to those conclusions than you do? Why does it say... When's the dividend date?
It's 1-2. We just looked it up in the special dividend thing.
God, they compulsively vacuum in this house. It is absolutely absurd.
So it's $33.95. And it's 38.
Even?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. See, you have memory and I don't.
And it's
I'm
bank, so
tired.
you have to click on that one. I don't know what the.
Oh, yeah, I need the. I am.
1501. Okay. Look, what does he have to turn the fucking internet off for so desperately?
He moved the router, so he unplugged it.
1501.
Because
1501.
I can't do two things at once.
Oh my.
Can you tell? This is why I don't like live streaming. And you're like, oh, live streaming every time.
Oh my
You,
god.
you shouldn't make me do this. 1309, 3009,
That chart's
30,
not great.
75. Okay. So 56. 56. Quarterly. So it barely slides up in under the radar. I don't like that that did that. Net profit margin is negative. This is a nixer.
That's a nixer.
Nixer.
As soon as I see negative profit margin, it gets
Done.
nixed. So now we have to make the list 10.
All right. How many are here?
How many are there?
14.
So we have to get rid of 4.
Do. So what are you looking at? Would be my question. Like what do you look for?
Well, I look for, like, this one's gone.
Which one? BMY? Why?
Because 54.28 currently, to get it before it's 54.50.
So it
that's
doesn't
too
have
close.
enough room to run? Too close?
Yeah.
So just, what are you doing? Wow, that was way longer than you just right-clicking.
I'm not used to having a right click.
Oh, I guess that makes sense. Well, right-click on the thing is just 2 fingers.
So that one's gone.
Which one? Explain. Before you do it.
24.19, 24, it's the same reason.
Okay. Well, then just say that. You don't have to be weird.
So now we've got these that all
2.
seem reasonable
So 2
here.
more? Reasonable.
Well, they're all you can get into them before they exceed the price.
Mm-hmm.
So then you have to look at this. That one there is kind of...
What is this? Your peer versus whatever crap.
Yeah.
That one's close.
But
So
then I'd
that's-
like to look at yield. Like, I would probably get rid of this one, even though it has the dollar dividend.
I would check to see if that's a grower before you nix it. Like if it's an aristocrat or something.
And type it in the Google bar and check. I'm
FCBC? What do I type in? Is this a dividend grower?
just FCBC dividend growth streak.
FCBC dividend growth streak.
Mm-hmm.
First Community Bank has marking 13 and 14 consecutive year increases. Do I need to find a thing?
Mm-mm. It shows you a dividend growth of 13 or 14 years. What more do you need to know?
That's pretty good growth too, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
4.5% per year. Okay. So, are you still deleting it? The reason I asked that question is because the lower yield here, if it's not a dividend grower, then it's not worth that yield.
That one could go. Because we didn't... I don't think that that number was right, so we just guesstimate on the 5%.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the 5%, so nix it. Okay. Nog makes me laugh.
It would probably be this chin with the 7% profit
Yeah.
profit margin.
We got
That
761 on Nog.
That one's 7%, but it has more room to appreciate.
More stable yield.
It's either that or that. It's either that one or that one. I think of that one there. I'm gonna keep though because it's oil related.
Oh, okay. I can't believe you remember that. All right.
Whereas this one's like an MREIT, and we already have 1, 2,
3, 4.
2 other ones. I'm gonna get rid of that one.
Okay. I understand that logic.
Now that should be 10, right? We have to put them in order.
Yeah, this is Tim's.
That's the hard part.
Tedium thing here. He's like, which ones go in which order? Because he does rank them on the ones that he likes. Is that your number one?
Yeah.
Ooh, Trinity.
What's going on here?
I didn't know you knew how to freaking.
Why is that there?
You don't want that thing? Right click, delete row.
I did.
No, you hit clear row. Clear row just deletes anything in the row, but not the whole row.
Like that one. This one.
Nog.
Like this one.
You gonna explain?
Well, right now I'm just looking at like the potential like
Or do you
risk
need to do your
reward
process first?
yield.
Okay.
Like, you can get a 9.442 with a 10% undervalued thing, so I think that's pretty good. You can get 13.47 on one I know is really good, and this one I know is going to be really good because it's Main Street Capital. So like these first four are pretty much locked in.
Okay.
I think this is number 5 because it has a lot of profit margin with a pretty decent yield and has a lot of room to grow.
Mm-hmm.
That's going to be last because I was about ready to cut it. So
Fisi bit.
that one's going to be second to last because it's pretty close to its thing there with. Though it does have a pretty good profit margin. Nog's going to go down here to second to last because the profit margin's trash.
Mm-hmm.
Let me have you see because if you put these are the same ones back to like this is a M rate and this is an M rate. Higher yield, higher profit margin, more room to grow.
So that one gets ranked higher.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's the same with this one. These are the same thing. So this one has a higher. So this one's going to go above CCAP.
Okay.
I think that's the list. There it is.
And you're considering the M rates higher than the other thing just out of principle?
What M rates?
Aren't these M rates? These two? Versus whatever the heck, 2396 BDCs? Is that what this is?
It's BDC. You have more room.
I was just wondering if you were...
I have 2 BDCs up here. So these are like the standards for BDCs.
Oh, okay.
So these aren't.
So you're actually doing kind of a sector elimination
these
thing
aren't
as well.
really that great.
But that's why BDCs are below M rate?
They're not below M rates. These are in BDCs right here.
I thought... No, but those two. Below these.
These
Because you already have those two covered?
No, I think these are better than these two.
Okay. That's what I was trying to figure out. What the hell your logic was, and you're giving me sass. Because the way I thought you were evaluating, I thought you put GSB, whatever the heck, above ARI.
No. Why would I do that? These are two different things. This is an M rate and this is a BDC.
That's literally what I was just trying to tell you.
So you can't compare these two. I mean, another way you can actually just do, like, if you want to take
No, you can't compare these two, but I can explain to you why I'm doing what I'm doing.
This divided by this. What the fuck's minus? Minus. What the fuck is that?
You can't do it that way. What are you trying to do? Decimals?
What the hell just happened there?
Oh.
Get rid of the -1 then.
What the fuck?
What is... Why can't you type?
I'm like really tired.
So then you just...
-1 is 0.6. Oh.
Whoa.
What are you doing with the keyboard over there? 94, 94, 95, 92.
Get rid of that one.
No!
I gotta insert it right now. Hold on. There we go.
Oh boy.
So if you do it that way, that should be... So you're talking about this one, that one, that one. So it would probably have to be this one that would be above those because you have more room to run. You have 8% return versus 5%, 4%, 4%.
But that's why I was asking if the M rates were actually getting bumped above the other two BDCs because you already had good BDCs and you like to do that rounding thing for different sectors. That's why I was asking that.
No, just it's how I go.
Okay.
There's no like rhyme or reason.
No
on
rhyme
it.
or reason. He's been doing this so long that basically he has whatever he's got going on.
But
So,
yeah, that's my list, and like
that is the
when I
list.
describe the list, I'll be like, probably in the top 5. The bottom 5, kind of ignore those and go to the top 5. They're just there for
Ignore those and go to the top
they're
5.
just there for giggles. But that's the process of doing this. It takes some time. So every week when I put the email out, I put this much time and effort into it. But like every now and then you find, that's how I found this one for the retirement portfolio. Just doing this. That's how I found this one. Whenever I'm going, I'd probably be in the van life portfolio at some point. So like you find good things. Like we own this one, we own that one, we own that one, and that's it. So we own 3 of them. But MSFIF is how I found it doing this process, and that's one that I'll probably get into in the short.
Is that how you found Trinity?
No.
Okay, I was just curious.
I
All right.
did a stock screener for that one. I said, "Holy shit, this one pays like 14%," and I was like, "Cool."
All right, so
So we'll see you guys next week for
That's the
round
list.
deux
round two.
of this. Unless there's any questions. Are there any questions? I didn't see.
I don't think we had any live chat skis.
No. Okay. Well, no one likes me.
Nobody's watching, or everybody's lurking, whatever. Either way you look at it. All right, guys. Sorry the stream got broken into 2 things because my dad was doing weird shit with internets.
Hopefully next week's goes better.
Just Jesus Christ, internets.
Or I'll have to bust out the Starlink.
Oh my god. Oh my, now they're starting the bathtub. We have to go, guys. Too much noise in this fucking house.
Yeah.
2 weeks and then this will not be a problem. I apologize. Where's my button? Where's my button?